Look at this bleeding. It's so good. It's the G910. Not yet bought it from version this one. So subscribe to his YouTube channel. And, yeah. So, let me box it. It's nice, beautiful colors. So thanks to Verzius for giving this keyboard to me. So I'll give her a shout out and link to his channel. And let's. Can you hear that? It's actually like pretty good.